Wick's GTO. It's a Friday. Every weekday is Friday. Except next week it's going to be Thursday. But you guys see these things like 3 weeks after anyway. So, Wick's GTO. Right. Took the old master cylinder off. I conveniently set it in the little trash can. Just because I need something to catch fluid. Here is our brand new master. Correct markings. The whole shebang-a-bang. Real nice. Where'd you get this from, Wiki?
Summit.
Wow, Summit coming through. In the clutch. We really like Summit because they actually send stuff quick. Wick said this was delivered on Sunday.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. They send stuff quick. They got really good customer service. And usually can't go wrong. Master is mounted and plumbed. Placed all our hardware with the correct hardware from our AMK kit. Focus camera. So we're already here. Snugged up everything with line wrenches. Everything on the front's ready. Wick's excited.
I'm excited.
You're like, yay.
Yeah.
So close on this. We did get those pieces from Wilwood. They were real good on the phone last week. Bam. Spacers that are down with the thickness. That was a... Yeah, they're in there somewhere. Oh, God.
There they are.
Oh, yeah. Mucho better. That's going to definitely help with our issue.
Goes this way.
So we'll pop those together, tighten up, snug up everything, and then we'll be bleeding brakes here in a little while.
Yeah, man. Pretty sweet. They even sent us new
hardware
with it.
New hardware.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, Wilwood's definitely treating you right.
Top notch. Recommend them highly. Product is good. Customer service is amazing. We talked to 2 different people last week on the phone, believe it or not. And the second one was really awesome. And he's the one that sent us this kit and said, "Oh yeah, no problem. This is what you need."
Problem solved.
So, yep.
I've been using Wilwood stuff for a long time too. They've made me some custom compound stock appearing pads before.
Yeah, man.
You want that old Camaro to stop? It'll stop. All right, going again. Oh yeah, Wick and I were just talking about Citroens and how odd they are, which is always fun. Correct spacers. Look, there's actual space between the rotor and the bracket. Yay!
Amazing what the right parts will do, huh?
Yeah, right parts go a long way. So we're gonna bolt these back together, get the other one together, get all our lines snugged up, make sure everything's good. A little brake bleeding. We're gonna do some gas tank stuff, which you guys are gonna love the new gas tank when you see it. It's pretty and stainless.